Does your stone exterior feel more like a cold fortress than a warm, inviting retreat? You're not alone. Many homeowners love the timeless beauty of stone, but struggle to make it feel cozy and welcoming. Here's the truth. You don't need a huge renovation to change that. With just a few smart design updates, your stone exterior home can become the most beloved part of your property. Whether it's for coffee mornings, family gatherings, or quiet evenings outside. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful stone exterior ideas that will take your home from plain to polished. And trust me, the last one might be the most magical touch of all.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Natural versus manufactured stone. Let's start with the foundation, choosing between natural and manufactured stone. Natural stone offers organic beauty with unique textures and patterns. Manufactured stone gives you a cost-effective alternative that's lighter, easier to install, and still stunning. Some homeowners mix the two, using natural stone for accents and manufactured stone for larger surfaces. Story example. One family in Colorado replaced dated siding with manufactured stone and accented their entryway with natural river rock. Their neighbors couldn't believe the transformation, and it cost a fraction of what they expected. Why it works: stone instantly adds value and timeless curb appeal, no matter which type you choose. If you'd choose natural stone, comment timeless. If you'd go with manufactured stone, comment smart choice. Stone with siding or brick. Stone doesn't have to stand alone. It pairs beautifully with other materials. Stone with white siding creates a classic farmhouse vibe. Stone with black trim gives a modern, striking look. Stone and brick together add warmth and texture for a rich, layered design. Pro tip: keep your color palette cohesive so the materials complement, not compete with each other. Which combo do you prefer? Stone and siding or stone and brick? Tell me below. Color tones and textures. The color of your stone sets the mood for your entire exterior. Light stone tones like limestone create a bright, airy feel. Dark grays and charcoals feel modern and dramatic. Mixed tone stone adds depth and visual interest. Pro insight: textured stone catches natural light differently throughout the day, making your home look dynamic and ever-changing. Drop A if you'd love a mix of stone tones for more character. Entryways and porch accents. Your entryway sets the first impression, and stone makes it unforgettable. Smart upgrades. Add stone columns or porch bases for a stately look. Frame your front door with stone arches for elegance. Use stone steps or walkways to create a seamless flow into your home. Bonus tip: anchor your seating with a cozy outdoor rug and add lantern-style lighting for evening charm. Want design blueprints for porch makeovers? Check the description below. Landscaping to highlight stone. Plants and stone are a perfect pair. One softens, the other grounds. Best options: hydrangeas and white roses for classic contrast, climbing ivy or wisteria to add romantic greenery, ornamental grasses and evergreens for year-round beauty. Pro bonus: choose plants that bloom in different seasons, so your stone exterior always feels alive. Want a full seasonal planting guide? It's linked in the description. So here's the big question. Is your stone exterior simply a structure, or the centerpiece of your outdoor living? You don't need a full renovation to fall in love with it. Just start with one of these ideas: natural versus manufactured stone, stone with siding or brick, color tones and textures, entryways and porch accents, landscaping to highlight stone. Each one adds charm, balance, and timeless elegance to your outdoor space. So, which of these ideas speaks to you most? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly design inspiration and exterior home transformations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.